How to contact Saxo Bank account. Saxo Bank is a Danish investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services, offering access to global financial markets through its platforms for stocks, forex, commodities, and other assets. First, go to Google and search Contact Saxo Bank. Then click on First Link. You can live chat via the platform with this link. Also for Australia, China, Hong Kong, India, Japan, Singapore. You can visit these addresses, or you can call their number. For European country like Belgium, Czech Republic, Denmark, France, Italy, Netherlands, Switzerland, and United Kingdom, you can visit these addresses. For Dubai, you can visit here. That's it. Thanks for watching.